welcome you all for the today's session on types of virtualization. In today's session, we are going to see about the storage, application, desktop, and managed virtualization. So in the previous class, we learned about the virtualization. Virtualization allows one physical resource to behave like many virtual resources. So we can take a real-time example. Imagine you're owning a large apartment building. Okay. So instead of giving the entire building to one family, what the apartment owners is going to do, they're going to divide it into many apartments. Every family feels they have their own home, even though everyone shares the same building. Similarly, in virtualization concept, one physical server can become many virtual servers. Okay, one storage system can appear as one huge storage device. One application can run on many devices. One desktop can be accessed from anywhere. In today's session, we are going to see about storage virtualization, desktop virtualization, application virtualization, and management virtualization. So, storage virtualization. So, what this storage virtualization takes? It combines multiple physical storage devices into one logical storage system. So instead of managing many hard disks separately, what the administrator will going to do, the administrator manages one large virtual storage. Example, the real-time example will be your library. You can take a library of your college. There will be a lot of books are kept in different rooms. Students do not know where that each book is going to be stored. They simply search the library catalog, the librarian finds the book, the storage virtualization works exactly like that. So there will be many hard disks will be there. The hard disk will appear as in one storage system. So that will be your storage virtualization. So storage virtualization are again classified into two types. So one will be a block virtualization and another one will be a file virtualization. So block virtualization is nothing but it works with storage blocks. It is going to separate your logical storages from physical storage. It is used in storage area networks. So file virtualization, it works basically based on the files. The user knows where the files is actually stored. User can access files without knowing their actual location. So that will be a file virtualization. So the key features of storage virtualization, or which includes it is going to combine many storage devices. It is easy to manage. It is a better utilization is there. Easy expansion, high availability. The best real-time example for the storage virtualization will be your Amazon S3. When we upload the files, we think they are stored in one place. Actually, the Amazon stores them across many servers. So based on the file, it is going to store in the different servers. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. So the better storage utilization is there, then easy scalability is there, faster backup is there, disaster recovery is possible in storage virtualization. But the main drawback of storage virtualization will be security concerns or more. It is very complex to set up. The high implementation cost is very high. There will be a vendor lock-in also will be possible here. The next thing we are going to you can think if a company has 100 hard disks, should users know where every file is stored? No, the answer is no. Likewise, the storage virtualization, it is going to hide all the complexity levels. The next type of virtualization will be your desktop virtualization. So desktop virtualization is nothing but instead of installing Windows on every computer, what the desktop runs on a central server. The user is simply connect remotely. So remotely they are going to access that particular desktop. So that is called as a desktop virtualization. So think that the real-time example will be your internet banking. So no matter where you are used, what kind of a device you are going to use, either it may be on laptop, it may be on mobile phone, it may be on tablet, or whatever may be. But you are going to access the same bank account with these three different devices. So this is the best real-time example for this desktop virtualization. So the features of centralized desktops will be there, access from anywhere, better security, and it is easy to maintain. Then remote working are also possible. The real example will be your Amazon Workspace, or the best example for this desktop virtualization. So the advantages of desktop virtualization are remote access, easy to backup, better security, and lower maintenance. The drawbacks are network dependency. It is expensive. The cost of infrastructure is very expensive. If the server fail, it is going to affect the many users. So the next virtualization we are going to see about the application virtualization. So this application virtualization is nothing but The applications are going to run on a remote server. That is, user do not install them on their own computer. They are not going to install their applications on each and every computer. The best example for this is, suppose Microsoft Excel is installed on the cloud. You simply open it with your tablet or within your laptop, or it may be your mobile phone or whatever may be. So the Excel actually runs on the server. Only the screen is going to be shown to you. So this is called the application virtualization. So the features which includes no installation is required, the centralized updates will be there, it is easy to deploy, if it can be accessed from multiple devices. The real-time example will be a Citrix virtual apps within Microsoft AppV. The advantages will be easy to deploy, then no software conflicts are going to occur, some better compatibility, better security is there, easy updates. The disadvantages are network record, there will be high infrastructure cost, some applications are not supported by the virtual machine. Then last visualization will be your management visualization. So management visualization is nothing but it is going to provide one central place to monitor and manage all the virtual resources. So instead of managing 100 servers, there will be 100 storage devices, 100 virtual machines. The administrator is going to use one dashboard to maintain the server, storage devices, virtual machines. So that will be called as a management virtual machine. The best real-time example will be, imagine the principal office. The principal doesn't go to every classroom instead. So all the information is available through one dashboard. So this is called the management virtualization. The key features of this management virtualization will be centralized monitoring is there, automation, resource management, security management, backup management. The advantages are it is easy to administrate, automation is easy, lower operational cost, and then better monitoring. The drawbacks are also will be high cost, require skilled administrators, and single point of failure also will be there. So let us discuss what are the difference between this virtualization versus cloud computing. So virtualization, it creates the virtual machines, but your cloud computing, it is going to provide the services with the help of an internet. So virtualization is a technology, but cloud computing is a service. So virtualization, it's keep on focus on hardware efficiency, but your cloud computing, it is going to focus on the scalability and on-demand access. So in virtualization, your organization is going to manage the hardware, but in cloud computing, the cloud provider is going to manage the hardware. So these are the difference between the each and every types of virtualization in accordance with the definitions, benefits, key challenges. So these are the references of the today's session. Thank you for joining. Thank you.